Again, this is a situation that's fluid, as Betsy's going to tell us in just a couple of seconds now. Want to be careful out there in the roads because even though it looks okay right now, snow is not falling that hard at that point, at that location. Things could change in a heartbeat. Am I right, Betsy?
The key is the temperature. So the road temperatures were actually in the mid-30s today, and things weren't so bad during the daytime. Now that it's nighttime, things are cooling, the road surfaces are cooling, and now things are freezing up. And untreated surfaces are going to be brutal tomorrow morning. We start off with a look at the rush hour forecast, as we typically do. Lake snow will be continuing in those areas prone to lake effect snow, but I wouldn't be surprised if we also have some flurries off to the west. Now, keep in mind, we will still be dealing with slushy mains. That could mean I-90 east of Cleveland, 271, 480 out toward 271. Those are those main roads that we will be keeping an eye on. 422, 322 will be in there, as well as 2 and 20. So just kind of keep an eye on that tomorrow morning. Don't forget, we start up at 4 a.m. Holly will have the latest on the snow. Danny keeps a close eye on the traffic, and the two of them together are quite the power duo. We have lake snow showers that will continue even into the evening. That's not going to be quite as hard as what we have going tonight, but it will be cold and breezy with temperatures in the 30s. Here is the radar, and it is rather impressive by lake effect standards. Nothing that is historic, but certainly there's plenty to point out. Number one is that out to the east, we are dealing with that lake effect snow in the traditional heart of the snow belt areas, northern Geauga County, right out into Ashtabula County. And you're seeing this line right here. That is significant because that is a Lake Huron band. That's the one that we're going to keep an eye on for the heaviest snow. And I know right now it may not look like a lot, but keep in mind a lot of the snow way out here in Ashtabula County actually is under the radar. So the radar beam goes out at about a ½ degree, and that means that beam is sitting up at about 8,500 feet, and that is over the top of the lake effect snow. So that's why we don't always get to see it, but we know it's snowing, because people are telling us it's snowing. We have a lot of snow that is coming down in northern Geauga County. This is the heart of the snow belt. Good old Chardon getting hit tonight, Thompson as well. The snow has been coming down across Lake County, but a lot of the heavier snow is farther inland. Out to the west, we've been dealing with this snow that is coming down Westlake, Bay Village, Rocky River, Lakewood. That does include Cleveland, and then points out to the east towards Solon, down into Garfield Heights even, Oakwood Village, and then also west. We've got this band that's coming in from Lorain that is also coating areas out around Berea. You move through Brooklyn and Parma getting in on that action, as well as Strongsville, but you can see the heavier, darker blues going clear back toward Lorain. And we also have this snow out Erie and Huron counties. What on earth is going on? Well, we're still on the backside of the nor'easter, friends, and that means we have this moisture that is wrapping around, and it's not just picking up Lake Erie moisture, but we are getting moisture and energy off of the northern lakes as well. It all converges here. So what does it mean for the forecast? Well, more snow, especially for those lake effect areas east of Cleveland. We're also going to bring it west too and south of Cleveland to start the day tomorrow. It begins to break up, but look at these temperatures. We're only in the 20s. We'll continue to have those scattered snow showers through the afternoon as well, and temperatures will recover into the mid-30s. Here's a look at the accumulations. Now, I know it doesn't look like a whole lot for a good chunk of the area here, but remember, we're dealing with very cold temperatures, so slick spots are likely. Out to the west of Cleveland, this is secondary snowbelt territory. We do have that 2 to 5 potential, but then the heart of the snowbelt, that's where the heaviest snow will fall, especially where that Lake Huron band sets up in eastern Ashtabula County. That's where a winter storm warning is through 7 p.m. Friday. Winter weather advisories elsewhere. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast, more lake snow. Temps in the 30s. We'll go partly cloudy and 37 for Saturday. Don't forget the time change on Sunday. Highs will be near 40, and we'll get to enjoy some sunshine.